Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you a force balance accelerometer SA222. Now before we start, here's the outline of this video. Specs, feature, application, accessories, housing, pin configuration, installation, and operation. Now let's talk about the specs. Here's the specification of SA222. ADC, dynamic range, measuring range, noise density, power consumption, and waterproof. SA222 can not only provide the real-time acceleration for earthquake early warning networks, but also provide on-site emergency control to cover the blind zone of regional earthquake early warning by using digital output contact and Modbus communication ability. SA222 is suitable for applications such as earthquake early warning, seismic observation, structural health monitoring for industrial equipment that utilizes ultra-low noise, high stability, and low power consumption using force balance accelerometer. Let's open it and check out all the parts shown in this image. You'll see SA222, 2 Allen keys, a set of anchor screw, 3 connectors, a set of universal power adapter. And now let's talk about the housing of SA222. It has an LCD display, a function button, a leveling bubble, an option socket, an auxiliary socket for control, a power socket, and a network socket. Here's the image of pin configuration. You may follow this configuration for wiring. Option socket, auxiliary socket, and power port. Please see the chart on the left side. You can also pause the video to check for detail. Now we can move on to installation. SA222 can only be installed on the ground. Next is the leveling. Please utilize the 3 leveling screws to center the bubble. For more detail, you can refer to how to set up SA222 videos. SA222 will power on after you plug in the power socket. The LCD monitor will display booting after the power is on. There's only one button to operate SA222. Each function will be triggered based on the seconds you press. You can see the functions and the corresponding seconds on this list. Press the button for 1 second, the IP address will be displayed. 2 seconds, NTP reload. 3 seconds, cancel. Press the button for 4 seconds, you will be able to reload any change. Here's a friendly reminder, please remember to reload the system after making changes. 5 seconds, display software version. 6 seconds, soft reload. 7 seconds, update software via FTP. 8 seconds, continuous recording. 9 seconds, entering testing mode. 10 seconds, backup software. To turn off the device, please press the button for 12 seconds. And finally, your SA222 is ready for monitoring. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.